It's probably all over the
They're
county.
trying to get it to work in Pete's.
Yeah, they probably got phone at Iowa since they do it,
Yeah. It's probably only EF1.
Or EF0.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it just hit their barn.
Yeah.
Oh, it
no,
just hit their
took
barn.
The barn out. Yeah.
The barn was pretty much falling down, but it just took out their barn.
What do you mean took it out?
Like freaking
it's
crap
gone.
everywhere.
It's up in the air. Pieces gone everywhere.
Hold on, just stay here.
Yeah. So. Alrighty, well, I'll talk to you later. No, but it was another barn right there. Okay, well, I'll talk to you later. Okay, bye. I'll call
I got
Steve.
it on video.
I'll call Steve and tell him that it just crossed.
Yeah.
1429. Station 1, Fire 1, we're going to go to Phase 3 Tornado Watch. Go ahead and warn your areas. Fire 1, Station 1, copy. We will have Engine 11, Rescue 17, Med 4, Med 1, responding.